सो हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। तो आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे सम मेजर फॉर्मूलाज ऑफ मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया। टू फाइंडिंग द रेक्टेंगुलर सेक्शन, द मोमेंट ऑफ द फार्मूला टू फाइंडिंग द मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया इज I equals to 1/12 BD cube, and similarly to Y max means half of the portion centroid of the rectangle. So Y max equals to D by 2. And then z means modulus of section. Modulus of section equals to I by Y max. So I जो है हमारा 1/12 BD cube divided by D by 2 Y max. So 2 1s are 2 6 are and 1D यहाँ का कट होगा और 1/6 BD square. So z equals to 1/6 BD square. नेक्स्ट सिमिलरली हॉलो रेक्टेंगुलर सेक्शन का जो है I इक्वल्स टू BD क्यूब बाई 12 माइनस BD क्यूब बाई 12. सो outer of the rectangle BD cube by 12 and inner of the rectangle BD cube by 12. The moment of inertia is 1/12 BD cube minus BD cube. You are taking 1/12 as common and BD cube minus BD cube. Okay, next Y max equals to D by 2. So whole depth by 2, outer of the rectangle. Next modulus of section I by Y max. So 1/12 BD cube minus BD cube by D by 2. So 2 1s are 2 6 are 1/6 BD cube minus BD cube by D. So this is the formula to finding the rectangular section and hollow rectangle section. Now we go for the circular section. So for circular section, the formula is I equals to pi d raised to 4 divided by 64 for moment of inertia, and then Y max centroidal is Y max equals to D by 2. So half of the portion D by 2, and then Z equals to modulus of section I by Y max. So pi d cube by 32. So similarly hollow circular section. In hollow circular section, the formula is for inertia I equals to pi by 64 d raised to 4 minus pi by 64 d raised to 4. So I equals to pi by 64 d raised to 4 minus d raised to 4. We are taking pi by 64 as common. Next Y max equals to capital D raised to 2. So outer layer of the circle, half of the circle. Next Z means modulus of section. Z equals to I by Y max. So pi by 32 d raised to 4 minus d raised to 4 whole divided by D. Next we go for the triangular section. In triangular section, the formula for moment of inertia is I equals to BH cube by 36, then Y max equals to 2 by 3H. Okay, now modulus of section is equals to I by Y max. It means BH square by 24. So this is the sum of major formulas to finding the moment of inertia of I section and T section. Thank you for watching.